Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many Google Sheets users encounter. The problem we're looking at involves protecting certain cell ranges in a Google Sheet, allowing some to be edited by anyone and others by specific users only. Let's jump into the solution now. The provided script offers a comprehensive approach to address the issue at hand. It begins by setting the necessary variables for the sheet URL and name, along with defining the editable and protected ranges. The script then proceeds to remove all existing protections, protect the entire sheet, set unprotected ranges for editing, and protect specific ranges with email-based access control. This approach ensures that the designated ranges are accessible only to specified users while maintaining overall protection for the sheet. In summary, the script effectively manages the protection levels of different cell ranges in the Google Sheet. By allowing some ranges to be edited by anyone and restricting access to specified users for others, it provides a robust solution for controlling data editing permissions. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, a well-protected sheet is a happy sheet.